Hello dear students, welcome back to another learning lessons in my Physio-Pulse channels. Today we'll discuss about the aromatic amino acids and their catabolisms, specifically phenylalanine, even also tyrosine. And in this chapter we will discuss about the phenylalanine, tyrosine, formation of melanin, even also catecholamines, and so here the disease like the phenylketonuria, Alkaptonuria, all these things we'll discuss step by step. So first of all, you see phenylalanine is an essential amino acids. It's aromatic amino acids, and the need of phenylalanine becomes minimal if the adequate tyrosine is supplied in the food. This is called the sparing actions of the tyrosine on phenylalanine. This phenylalanine is partly glucosonic and partly ketogenic amino acids. Now, this phenylalanine, it is isolated in 1879 and tyrosine is 1846. And then it is phenylalanine, how it will convert to form the tyrosine. The reaction involves in additional just one step, that is the one hydroxylation, hydroxyl groups of the aromatic ring by the phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme. It needs NADPH or NADH and tetrahydrobiopterin as a coenzyme. The reaction sequence is that tyrosine, with the help of tetrahydrobiopterin and oxygen, will form the tyrosine. Sorry, phenylalanine, tetrahydrobiopterin, and oxygen will form the tyrosine and H2O. So now this tyrosine will catabolize, and then tyrosine also it is non-essential amino acids. Even also it is a partly glucosonic as well as the ketogenic amino acids, and that we will discuss here how it is called the glucosonic or partly ketogenic amino acids. Because the catabolism of tyrosine involves in the several steps. Number one steps is the transamination process, then production of homogenetic acids, and number three, cleavage of aromatic ring. Number four, that is number five is isomerization, then hydrolysis, and after hydrolysis, it will form the glucosonic amino acids and ketogenic amino acids. So this is the reaction sequence of this phenylalanine. First of all, it will convert to form the tyrosine. Already we discussed tetrahydrobiopterin acts as a cofactor. Now then, with the PLP and keto alpha ketoglutarate, it will the tyrosine is form the tyrosine will form the para-hydroxy phenylpyruvic acids. After that, with the adding of one molecule of ascorbic acid and oxygen, it will form the homogenetic acids. Now, the homogenetic acids, it will leads to form the melyl acetoacetic acids. Then it will subsequently fumarate acetoacetic acids. After that, with the help of hydrolysis enzyme, it will form fumaric acid, that is the glucosonic amino acids, and even also acetoacetic acid, that is the ketogenic amino acids. So in this way, tyrosine is catabolized and to form these molecules. So students, I think you all are clear about the topics, today's topics, phenylalanine, how it is essential, and tyrosine, how it is catabolized to form the glucosonic. One is and also glucosonic as well as the ketogenic amino acids. Now, the important specialized products we have derived from tyrosine, that is the melanin, one of the important. Second, catecholamine, that is the epinephrine or epinephrine, and thyroxine, that is the hormone. So, one by one, we will discuss here. First, we will discuss the melanin. How melanin is synthesized? You see, the melanin is a pigment which gives the black color to our skin and also skin or hair. And this had the enzyme are involved and catalyzes in the first two steps. Remaining reactions are non-enzymatic and occur spontaneously. So enzymatic reactions are the formation of the dopa and formation of dopa, how dopa is formed, that we will discuss here. And now formation of dopa quinone, and after that formation of indole quinone, then indole quinone to form the that will form the melanin. So these reactions a sequence we will discuss here uh, in our lectures, and we will discuss the importance of the melanin as well as tyrosine amino acids. So students, I think we have covered important phenylalanine and tyrosine catabolism first part, and that I think it will helpful to your exam purposes. And if you feel this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell so you do not never miss our physiology, upcoming physiology, biology, biological lectures. So thank you for watching and